What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life. As you can see, we got the Desert Titanium iPhone 16 Pro on deck, and today is a case video. Now, shout out to the good folks over at Caudabe. They sent your boy out some cases. The first case that we're going to be getting into from Caudabe is one of my new favorite cases for the Samsung Galaxy S24, actually. And that's the Sheath. So what we're going over is the Sheath. They sent me two different colors. We definitely going to be getting into them. So we got two different colorways. We got gray or eucalyptus, maybe, yeah, eucalyptus. Take a look at the back of the packaging. As you can see, minimalist perfection. We're founded on the idea that more isn't better. Excess is seldom tasteful. To be a minimalist is to be thoughtful. In this case, clean minimalist aesthetic. You know, I love that aesthetic. Cover buttons with incredible tactile feel. Acclaim micro etch texture enhances grip and resists lint and scratches. So good grip is a great part of not dropping your device in the first place, with also protecting your device. Exceptional magnetic strength. So we got MagSafe on deck. Let's get this thing out. So all we're going to do is slide up like so. And as you can see, we got the eucalyptus colorway going on off the break. And they just got some, you know, I guess this is a eucalyptus type tree or plant. And that's probably what that is. That's why it's the green colorway. Now we can slide the case out of here. And this is a very, very nice fall color. And I feel like this is going to go so slick with the like goldish rose gold colorway of my iPhone 16 Pro. And if you take a look, this case actually comes with a little card that tells you all about the colorway and why they named the colorway, what they named the colorway, things of that nature. You can check it out for yourself. So to me, guys, these Sheath cases are just really nice looking cases. Like, it's a really nice looking case, come out with some nice colorways. And I mean, they're very effective, which you got some nice raised lip camera protection. You got your Caudabe branding. And it's a TPU case, guys, but the type of TPU is made out of is really strong, really good for protection, and also really good for grip. It almost has like a, you know, the texture of maybe like a basketball court. You know, that fresh, when they lay down that fresh black top, it almost has a texture like that, not as intense, almost kind of like a sandstone texture. Also, really nice grip on this case, and it doesn't work. You don't have to worry about this thing picking up fingerprints or nothing like that. And it's really easy to just get a disinfect wipe, clean it, and it's gonna look brand new. But if you look at the side again, nice little button press going on. All your cutouts down bottom for your speakers and your Type-C. Now over here, you have a nice button press also, guys, for your power button. And then you just have a cutout to get to your camera control if you utilize that. Now here we go on the iPhone 16 Pro, guys. And just a really good looking case. Like, not over styled, but just one of the most quality TPU cases I've come across. If you take a look, cameras are nice and recessed behind the lip. You need something that protrudes that's going to protect these cameras in case of a drop. The branding is not too much, just letting you know what it is. Nice Caudabe branding, nice and small, not taking over the whole clean aesthetic. Plenty of space to get to your Type-C. And a pretty wide cutouts for plenty of space to get to your camera control. Button press, nice and tactile. Now, if you look at it from the front, guys, you got a nice raised lip around front also. See, you want a nice raised lip around your screen, because if I drop this device on a flat surface, I want the case to actually take the impact and not the display or my device to take the impact. This could save me from a crack or shattered display. And also still very minimal, very protective case, but very minimal. And you see on the packaging, that's what Caudabe boasts. And this is a case with MagSafe power, so we're gonna see. Locks right into place, and as you see, it's not going nowhere, guys. I'm only holding the ring holder, and I'm trying to shake the phone off. It's not going nowhere. It's definitely going to keep your device locked into whatever MagSafe mechanism you're using. We're going to set this right there. Just going to take a look at the gray colorway. Now, here's the gray colorway, guys. Nice, clean gray right here with the gray, like grayish black aluminum button press. looking very clean. And this is how it looks on my iPhone 16 Pro and the Desert Titanium colorway right here, guys. This how the front lips look on there around the display of the gray sheath. Shout out to Caudabe for sending these cases out. This is the Caudabe Sheath and the eucalyptus and gray. If you want to check it out, there'll be a link down in the description. It's your boy BG Tech Life. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. I'm out. Peace.